Gentlemen, let's talk about that moment. You know, the one when you look in the mirror and wonder where the man you used to be went when your energy fades, your confidence wavers, and those intimate moments with your partner feel like a distant memory, that sinking fear that your best years are slipping away. It hits hard, doesn't it? The regret of not acting sooner, the worry that this is just how it's going to be. But what if I told you that a simple kitchen staple, something your grandfather swore by, could reignite the fire you thought was gone forever? I'm Dr. Laura, and today I'm pulling back the curtain on a game-changing apple cider vinegar trick that's transforming lives for men over 55. Stick with me, because if you click away, now you might miss the one secret that could bring back the vitality you're desperate to reclaim. Oh, and one quick thing, drop a comment below and tell me what city and state you're watching from. I want to know where my community of strong, determined men is tuning in from. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The silent crisis of circulation. Did you know that over half of men over 60 are silently battling circulation issues? It's not just about feeling sluggish, it's about the frustration of a body that's betraying you, the fear that your heart, your energy, even your performance in the bedroom are fading. I see it in my patients every day. Men who feel like their spark is gone, who worry their partners notice the change, who wonder if this is their new normal. That regret stings, doesn't it? The thought that you could have done something sooner. But here's the truth. Your body wants to fight back. It's begging for the right tools. And the answer isn't in a pricey pill with a list of side effects longer than your grocery list. It's in something as simple as apple cider vinegar, used the right way, not the way your grandma used it for heartburn, but a precise protocol that could unlock your body's natural vitality. Let's talk about why this works. Chapter 2. The science behind the secret. Here's where it gets exciting. Apple cider vinegar isn't just folklore, it's backed by biochemistry. Your blood vessels rely on something called nitric oxide to stay flexible and keep blood flowing smoothly. After 55, your body's nitric oxide production can drop by 50%. That's why everything feels slower, heavier, less alive. But the acetic acid in raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the cloudy mother kickstarts an enzyme called ANOS, which pumps out nitric oxide. Like you're 30 again, and it doesn't stop there. ACVs, polyphenols, act like yoga for your arteries, keeping them flexible. It fights inflammation, those tiny fires burning in your blood vessels that steal your energy. It even boosts insulin sensitivity by up to 34%, stabilizing blood sugar and keeping your circulation humming. Imagine the relief of knowing you're not just aging, you're thriving. Don't you want that feeling back? The confidence of knowing your body is still capable of greatness. If you're not taking notes, you're missing out. Chapter 3. The right way to use ACV. Now here's where most men go wrong. You can't just chug ACV and hope for miracles. Timing and precision are everything. Here's my proven protocol. 1. Timing. Take 1 teaspoon of raw unfiltered ACV in 8 ounces of room temperature, water 30 minutes before your biggest meal. Why? This is when your body is primed to absorb nutrients and supercharge circulation. Miss this window and you're leaving results on the table. 2. Quality. Look for ACV with the mother. That cloudy, stringy stuff is the magic clear vinegar. It's just expensive water check for 5% acetic acid to protect your teeth and stomach. 3. Pro tip, add a pinch of pink. Himalayan salt. It sounds odd, but those minerals boost absorption and balance electrolytes for peak blood flow. And here's a warning. Never drink ACV straight. It's not about being tough, it's about being smart. Undiluted, ACV can erode your teeth and irritate your stomach. Dilute it properly, let it sit for 5 minutes and store it in a cool, dark pantry. Not the fridge. Consistency is key. Skip weekends and you're sabotaging your progress. Don't let laziness steal your chance to feel alive again. Chapter 4. Supercharge with food. Synergy want to take this to the next level. Pair your ACV with circulation. Boosting foods, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are nitrate powerhouses, turning into nitric oxide with ACV's help. Beets, they're like rocket fuel for your blood vessels. Eat them within an hour of your ACV dose, and you might feel the difference in just 2-3 hours. Add healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, or salmon to support hormone production and nutrient absorption. For the brave, try my Circulation Storm combo. ACV, a square of dark chocolate and pomegranate juice. It's a powerhouse of flavonoids and antioxidants that'll have your blood vessels singing. Don't wait to try this every day. You delay is a day you're not living at your peak. Chapter 5. Dr. Laura's Morning Thunder recipe. Here's the recipe you've been waiting for, my morning. Thunder tonic designed to jolt your circulation awake. You'll need 2 tablespoons raw, unfiltered ACV with the mother, 1 teaspoon, raw honey, a half teaspoon Ceylon, cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon, cayenne pepper juice of half a lemon, 8 ounces warm, not hot water, mix in this order. ACV first stir gently, then honey until dissolved. Add cinnamon, cayenne, and lemon juice. Let it sit for 2 minutes to activate the compounds. Drink it 30 minutes before breakfast, on an empty stomach. You might feel a warm tingle that's your circulation roaring back to life. Don't miss this chance to feel energized, confident, and alive again. Closing, take control or lose it. Gentlemen, aging doesn't have to mean decline. That fear of losing your edge, that regret of not acting sooner, it doesn't have to define you. Your body is still capable of incredible things, but it needs you to act. Now, apple cider vinegar used strategically is your ticket to reclaiming the vitality you thought was gone. Don't let another day slip by, wondering what if start today. Try my Morning Thunder. Recipe, follow the protocol, and feel the difference. I want to hear from you in the comments. Tell me, which tip are you trying? First, what's your biggest health worry as you age? And if this video lit a spark in you, hit subscribe and share it with the men in your life who need to hear this. Let's build a community of men who refuse to let age steal their fire. I'm Dr. Laura, and I'll see you in the next video because your vitality matters.